Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon and in the search bar type snipping tool and click here to open it. On this window, just click on new and you can just select your portion on your desktop to take a screenshot. After that, you can use these tools to add color, text, or to erase the changes. After that, click here and you can just click on save. Once done, again go to search, open file explorer, open screenshot folder, and here you can check your screenshot. After that, go to search bar and type paint and click here to open it, and just press Ctrl+V, then go to save as and select the file location to save your screenshot. Close this window. Again type here paint, click here to open it, just press Ctrl+V. Click here and select save as. You can rename your file and save it. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.